Hello, this is Shibu Abraham, driving instructor of Keralaa Driving School in Epping, Melbourne. Reverse parallel parking is a useful skill for any driver. Parallel parking can be tricky in congested areas. If you know how to safely and correctly park, you can become calm and confident behind the wheels even when you are going backwards. In this video I will show the basics of reverse parking and the tips to master your skill. Reverse parallel parking requires driving slightly past a parking space parallel to the parked vehicle in front of that space, keeping a safe distance, then followed by reversing into that space. First of all, assess the parking space you want to accommodate your car. You want a space to be at least 1.5 times the length of your car. When you have confirmed the space is big enough, check interior mirror and left mirror to make sure that it is safe to brake. Slow down. Indicate left. Make sure your indicator is on for 3 seconds to give warning to the cars behind that you are going to reverse park. Check your left blind spot, and pull up about half a meter to 1 meter away and alongside of the car you are parking behind. Position the car so your car's left passenger side mirror is in line with the driver side mirror of the car next to you. Change the gear into reverse. Check your right side mirror and blind spots for approaching vehicles and pedestrians. Then look over your left shoulder to begin maneuver. Change into reverse gear. Turn the steering wheel 3/4 to the left, and slowly begin to reverse your car. Continue to check the left passenger side mirror, and the front left corner of your car while you are reversing, to ensure you keep a safe distance between your car and the car in front. Continue reversing until the right rear tire touches the parking line, or the left rear tire reaches at the middle of the parking space. Turn your steering wheel all the way to the right. Continue reversing, judging the clearance in front of you until your car is parallel and within 30 centimeters of the curb. Select drive gear and drive forward toward the car in front. Turn your steering wheel to the left to straighten your front wheels, usually about 1.5 turns. Put the parking gear and pull up the hand brake, that means make the car safe. If you are too close or far away from the car in front, move forward or back, until you are in the center of the parking spot. If you are a beginner, you should do everything slowly to allow sufficient time to apply each steps exactly. Rather than trying to learn to reverse park between two cars, learn to reverse park behind one car first. Then when it becomes easier, you can move on to reverse park between two cars. Remember, practice makes perfect, so, practice and become confident, and enjoy driving.